Hey guys, we're the Apex Predators, and here is our mechanical engineering project. We're assembling the fan right now.
Right here you can see the engine, the disassembled engine of the fan. You can see this is the coil made out of copper. One part of the case, of the engine case, with a bearing inside. Here's another part of the case. It has also a bearing inside. And the magnet, which will rotate if the coil is being attached to a power source. So to put it together again, you put the coil into the case with the bearing, as you can see. Make sure it fits right. Afterwards, you put the magnet into the spindle and make sure it's sitting properly in the bearing so it can move freely. You can see. Yeah, more or less. The next step is putting the outer part of the case, with also a bearing inside, onto the magnet and the coil. And fix both of it with screws. Now we will explain the several parts of the electric engine of our fan. As you can see, this is a condensator which helps the engine to run. Here, with this part, you can adjust the velocity of the fan itself. So how the adjusting of the fan works is this little thing here is a resistant, and as you move the switch from 0 to 1, you will connect power from the power source to the resistant and to the electric engine. And yeah, if you turn the switch further, the resistance will get smaller and smaller until the highest point, and then yeah, you basically connect directly the electrical engine to the power source, so there's no resistant, and the resistant causes that the engine will turn with a higher or slower velocity. That's basically it. Okay, as you can see, the motor is attached with 4 screws here, 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 and here to the frame. We already put in the, how do you call that?
The guard.
The guard. The guard is attached with several screws on the frame, as you can see here. This is an example. So we skip that step because it's not very interesting. We're now attaching the engine with the last 2 bolts. Now we put the fan back on the engine. As you can see, it is just sticked on the end of the motor.
Alright, so before the fan was in the side, but we just took it off and we put it back on, and now it is spinning smoothly.
As the last step, we put on the other guard on the top of the fan. Wait. Yes, just make sure all holes fit with the guard, and we turn in all the screws. So, and now all our fan, all parts are built together again. We'll quickly check if it is still working. Plug this in, please.
Sure.
And as you can see,
Oh.
it's working.
And that's our project.